What if I told you that the perfect snack exists? One that is healthy, energizing, and absolutely delicious. Today I'm sharing my go-to recipe for a power-packed snack made with natural ingredients. This is the ultimate treat for anyone looking to fuel their day without guilt. If you're like me that has a husband that has a sweet tooth, then come close. Let's make this snack. Before we dive into this recipe, let me tell you why I love this snack. Because it is packed with healthy fats from nuts and natural sweetness from honey and fiber from oats. All these are designed to keep you full, energized, and satisfied. Plus, it's so easy to make. You'll never need to buy store-bought snacks again. So here's what you'll be needing for this snack. First, you'll be needing pumpkin seeds. The pumpkin seeds are loaded with magnesium. Rolled oats, they are a base for a filling snack. Oats are rich in fiber and they help keep you satisfied for hours. The pecan and walnuts are healthy fats and they have antioxidants, making the snack heart healthy. Apricots, they are a natural source of sweetness and they are rich in vitamin A for glowing skin and good vision. You know I'm a fan of glowing skin. Anything that has to do with glowing skin, please count me in. The coconut flakes add a tropical twist to it and bring in healthy fats for energy. And besides, I love coconuts. So anytime, anywhere, any day, as long as I can put in coconuts, I'm here for all of it. Then the butterscotch and honey are perfect for sweetness without refined sugar. So all these ingredients come together to make this snack not only delicious but also packed with the nutrients that our body needs. Let's start putting everything together. The first thing I did was to chop the apricots into bit sizes and also the almond nuts. I also chop them into bit sizes so that it would help with the consistency. Next is to blend the walnuts and the coconut flakes. I'm using a hand blender that I got from Timo, and this hand blender is a 5-in-1 blender which is really good. Like, it has been so helpful and I love it. After blending, you mix the apricot and the almond nuts. In fact, mix everything into that bowl and give it a good mix. Everything, the pumpkin seeds, everything on the table, just mix all of them into the bowl and give it a good mix. If you don't want the butterscotch to be whole, you can also melt in the microwave before you mix, but I'm okay with it because it will melt in the oven anyway. So I give it a good mix, and while I'm mixing it, I'm going to tell you why this snack is more than just a treat. The first thing about this snack for me is that it satisfies sweet cravings because the natural sweetness from honey and apricots is indulgent yet guilt-free. Have you ever finished having probably lunch or dinner and you're still feeling kind of peckish, like you want to eat but you don't want to eat food? You don't want to eat real food. This snack is your go-to at those times, I tell you. Another thing about this snack for me is it promotes heart health. Walnut nuts and pecans are great for lowering cholesterol and it keeps your heart in good shape. You know, cholesterol used to be a big thing for me. I've had high cholesterol for years, so adding all of this to my diet has improved my heart health greatly. And I'll share that in another video. I'll share my story in another video. So when I'm talking about some of these things, I know what I'm talking about. Another thing this snack does for me, which I like, is supports digestion. The fiber from the oats, the nuts, the seeds helps your gut. It makes your gut happy. Anything that makes your gut happy makes you happy. Is good for you. So it supports the gut and digestion. and it also keeps you energized. So now I'm done with the mixing. So you get a baking tray, you put your liner on it to avoid sticking. The reason for this liner is so that it doesn't stick to the pan. Although this baking tray that I have is also stick free, like it doesn't, things don't stick on it. But then I also want to be sure, do I like double sure that it won't stick on the pan. So you put on your liner on the pan, and you put you start putting the mixture into molds. It's pretty easy. Just get any mold. You don't even if you don't even need a mold. If you don't have a mold, you can just roll it in your palm and flatten it on the tray, and it will even out. You're the one eating it anyway, so you don't need it to be so beautiful. But I just did it like this because I saw someone do it like this somewhere, and I thought it was a good idea. So that's why I adopted this style. So just watch me as I continue the process, and you see the outcome. So, there you have it, the ultimate healthy snack that's simple to make, delicious to eat, and packed with nutrients to fuel your body. Just look at how it looks. I love it. You I forgot to mention that You have to reduce your oven to about 300 or 320 degrees max, and also bake for just 10 to 15 minutes for this golden brown color. Look at how the brown, it's so beautiful, and it tastes as beautiful as it is. If you love this recipe, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more easy and healthy recipes, and also share it with your friends and family who could use some snack inspiration. You never can tell. And I'd love to hear from you. What's your favorite healthy snack? Can you drop your ideas in the comments below? And let's keep this wellness journey going together. Now that we are done with this recipe, what will you be pairing it with? For my package time, I'll pair this with a juice that I made with my juicer, and it will be a pineapple and orange juice. And again, the other one that I put in a pan together that I wanted to use for a snack bar. So what you just do if you make this would be to just cut them up in sizes, just like the regular snack bars you buy from the store. Just cut them up in rectangle sizes and store in a bowl with a lid, or you can simply put them in Ziploc bags and store in your fridge. I've stored mine for over 1 week, and it lasted, and it was still fresh, so it lasts long and the taste doesn't change. So till I come your way next time with another interesting video, do have yourself a wonderful time, and thank you for watching. Bye.